Looking at the world through the sunset in your eyes, traveling the train through clear Moroccan skies, ducks and pigs and chicken skull, animal carpet wall to wall, American ladies 5 feet tall in blue, sweeping cobwebs from the edges of my mind. Had to get away to see what we could find. Hope the days that lie ahead bring us back to where they fled. Listen not to what's been said to you. Don't you know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express? Don't you know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express? They're taking me to Marrakesh. All aboard the train, all aboard the train. I've been saving all my money just to take you there. I'll smell the garden in your hair. Take the train from Casablanca going south, blowing smoke rings from the chorus of Mama, Mama, Mama. Colored curtains hang in the air, charming cobras in the square, striped jalebas we can wear at home. Well, let me hear you know. Don't you know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express? Don't you know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express? They're taking me to Marrakesh. Don't you know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express? Don't you know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express? They're taking me to Marrakesh.